And if the stars, God's eyes on the planet, heaven plan them on me, planet in the hammock, daydreaming, thinking about my little man. My little man is gonna be given an advantage. Time I train him out them Pampers till I take him to a campus. Let me raise him to be Samson, stronger giving chances. Little man is saying please, saying thank you. Little man is, he's getting older, never over. I can't always be a chauffeur, but leave him something to show for. It helps to play the game when you got someone there to coach you. I hold your shoulder to shoulder, bring us a little closer, cause I want to, not cause I'm supposed to. This true love, yeah, this what I live for. I'm raising you, you raising me up. Can I live more for my little man? My little man. And still my head high with my back against the wall. And I be standing tall till I fall. I give my all, y'all, for my little man. You hear me, big man? May you never feel abandoned and all your tomorrows granted. Pictures of your parents, but you paint your own canvas, little man. Grab my hand. Let me help you understand it as I cross you through these streets till you stand on your own feet. Here to get you to that other side that some won't never reach. Till I rest in peace, securing your future won't let me sleep. Cause you was born to be that better me. I'll never be from your first steps to my last breath. Reason I had stress, reasons I have strength. And when your enemy remember me in past tense, fought to my bad rib, every single ad-lib, even to my enemies and all your penalties. May your baby's eyes always grant you serenity. I'm with my little man, hand in hand, him and me. I'll be a proud father to my last memory. This true love, yeah, this what I live for. I'm raising you, you raising me up. Can I live more for my little man? My little man, yeah. I'm still head high with my back against the wall. And I'll be standing tall till I fall.